this is like, kvCORE for beginners, but then also it's not just a beginner in the real estate industry, it's beginning to work with kvCORE, so that when we just step back and go, okay, marketplace, lots of great places for lead generation, but the front end is a great place that we can expose our brand and our niche if we know how to do it. And then on the back end of the kvCORE, there are amazing tools that allow us to optimize our website. So if you want to see like how to really make your brand stand out, how to develop your niche, how to leverage all the analytics, how to do like blogging, which lead sources are great, which ones aren't, how to set up your profiles, how to set up your daily schedule, how to put in automations and campaigns. See, that's now when we start to get into overwhelm, right? But again, I have a great model of how I help people really master your database and make your millions. So again, you can check the link below and you can find out about my courses. You can get some tips and tricks, or you can simply put your email down below and say, I want more, right? And we'll get you all set up.